it's too hot. It's too hot. All right, let's take a look at the weather. Yes, it's too hot. It's too hot. Too damn hot. I was trying to get that ready there. My computer obviously wasn't cooperating, but we tried. It's still like 93 in the alley right now. It's just brutal out there. 90 at Central Park. We're going to look at the current conditions. It was a brutal day across the area. Heat advisory till 8 p.m. tomorrow. It's 90 at Farmingdale, where the dew point is 70, which makes it feel like 96 degrees. And let's go take a look at some of the current observations across the area, because it was a hot one again today. A little less humidity, but man, it was brutal out there. So let's take a look. So we got temperatures still in the 90s. All right, so the alley isn't really that much off. 93 at Carl Place. Temperatures maybe dropped into the mid-80s for folks in Suffolk County. But if we put the dew points in here, yeah, your dew points are in the 70s, so it feels pretty steamy out there. You head west, somewhat lower dew points, but it looks like the humidity has come back this evening, so it feels more uncomfortable than it did. It actually feels worse now than it did earlier today, believe it or not, because of the humidity increasing. Looks like it's around 90 in Toms River. So let's put the high temperatures in here. See what we got up to today across the area. So waiting for it to load. Looks like Toms River got up to 97 degrees today. So upper 90s in Jersey for the most part. 96 Forked River. So mid to upper 90s there. Pretty much everywhere mid to upper 90s. Central Park got up to 93. LaGuardia 97. JFK 93. Carl Place 96. Farmingdale 97. Islip got up to 94, and 97 in Manaville, 93 in West Hampton. That's what a west wind will do to you. It's just going to make you blaze, and that's exactly what happened today. So let's take a look at what's going to be happening this week as we take a look at some relief trying to make our way. But first, I want to talk about the threat for tomorrow for severe weather. The Severe Storm Center, the Storm Prediction Center, has put us in a marginal risk of severe weather. So let's take a look and see what we have here. And I'm sorry if you can hear the fans, because it's like 77 in my apartment. The AC is really struggling. You know, with that alley, this is such a hot apartment. My God. So we're going to take a look at the surface here. I'm not going to bother with the upper air on this weather update. See, there's that front coming through. Let me just focus on our area here, the GFS. So there's that front coming through. It's just too hot in here to even do a weather update, because I got to go back into the kitchen where the AC is. So we can see there's that front coming through tomorrow. Some relief for Wednesday, slight relief for Wednesday and Thursday. Looks like a still front to our south, and then more substantial relief by the weekend. And then another chance of rain. I'm not even going to look at that tropical system. I know this weather update's going to be short, and I'm sorry. It's just very warm in this room. So you really need two 8,000 BTU air conditioners for this place. Such a small apartment. Anyway, mid 90s tomorrow. Again, pretty much a repeat of today. And then we cool off. Oh, look at that. Oh no, this is Tuesday. I'm sorry, but yeah, this is Tuesday. So mid 90s tomorrow, the 28th. See, I'm not even thinking straight. Look at that. Wednesday, we're still in the 90s. This front kind of just fizzles out for Wednesday. Still around 90 for Thursday. And then we see some relief, maybe going back to the 80s. Oh, still hot for the weekend. So yeah, there is just no relief in sight, guys. No substantial relief. Let's look at the maybe we'll get some dew point relief from this front at least. So Tuesday, let's see. Dew points get even worse ahead of that front, go climbing into the mid-70s. Tomorrow is going to be a very uncomfortable day. There'll be a strong southwest breeze, but it's going to be a hot, humid breeze. Looks like the dew points do come down on Wednesday a little bit into the upper 50s and low 60s, but then they bounce right back to near 70 on Thursday. And then this is when the more substantial dry air tries to get in here on Friday. But like I said, it's just a series of wimpy cold fronts, basically. I mean, that's what I'll call this weather update. Wimpy cold fronts. So let's go look at let's look at the NAM here. Actually, let's look at the skies, and then I'll go to the NAM. I know it's a little out of. I'm trying to think because it's very warm in here. All right. Thank God I can eat out. That's all I can say. So here comes that front tomorrow. There it is, and we try to move it off by the afternoon. So hopefully, maybe we can have a clear sky. And then Thursday, it it clouds up again, and then we're dealing with clouds again. Maybe Saturday will be a nice day, maybe, but a nice. I mean, nothing that it's going to be great and comfortable. So let's look at the models here. The NAM 3 kilometer. We'll also look at that as well. Again, these are all 18Z runs. So again, here comes that front for tomorrow. Let's see if we can get it off shore for Wednesday. It looks like we can. We'll have to see if we get it, but I don't think it's going to be all that great of a day. I mean, there's no good weather to go hiking. It's too. You can't do any long hikes in this weather. You can't do even any moderate hikes in this weather. It sucks. It sucks. This is going to be the highest July on record. All right, so let's look at the NAM precipitation here, and we'll look at that severe weather threat for tomorrow. I'm sorry this is going to be a short update. I really am. It's hot. I got to go back into the kitchen where the air conditioner is. I mean, I got the fan blowing high in here. It's like you got to be sitting right in front of that air conditioner. So yeah, the NAM just doesn't really have that much impressive activity with the severe weather. Let's look at the HRRR. Honestly, the slow movement of this front, I don't really have my hopes up for a tremendous severe weather tomorrow. That's all I got there. I got to go to the 18Z. Go further out. So yeah, HRRR is a little more, and I would lean to be that the HRRR would be a little more. So around the afternoon, 5, 6 o'clock brings these line of thunderstorms through. We'll just have to watch for the potential. Let me look at the Cape here. Maybe I'll update you later when it's a little cooler in here, I guess. I should have waited, I guess, but I don't know. It's just... All right, let me look at the Cape, and then we're wrapping this weather update up, and I'm getting back in front of the air conditioner because I got a roaring headache. 28. And if the mall was open later, I just would have stayed in the mall, but they close at 7. All right, so this is, yeah, the Cape's pretty high. This is 2 o'clock tomorrow. So I think we do have the potential for some severe thunderstorms tomorrow. Whether they'll be widespread or not, it's anyone's guess, but... you know, this year it seems like we've been, you know, every time there's a chance of severe thunderstorms, we get it. So tomorrow we'll keep our eyes to the sky on severe weather, and I'll have another update tomorrow afternoon about it. So take care, everybody. Stay cool.